You alright?
I don't know. I took a pretty good hit on that tree.
You
okay? Legs, everything okay?
Whew, that knee's sore. That's my artificial knee. Well, this is going to be a mess.
You brought your rope, right?
Huh?
You brought your rope?
Yeah.
cut in the corner?
I think so.
Yeah, and just leave it.
That front end just washed out on me.
Yeah.
You'd be lucky if you didn't break your arm on that tree.
I hit it pretty good.
You did. Are you okay? Everything in one piece? You need anything?
Yeah.
Rest a minute.
A crane to get me back up this hill.
Yeah, we'll rig up the crane.
I just can't believe I did that.
Yeah, I guess you hit this with the mud, slid right out. Yeah, I saw the front end go.
Yeah. We were picking up speed.
You were.
A little bit.
Them damn Georgia jumping trees got me. My left shoulder pretty good.
I think you can get out if you go that way. You want some water?
No, I'm fine. Sore as hell, but fine.
The whole tree's gonna fall. I just pushed it the whole time it cracked.
Push it that way.
Ready?
Yep.
I was using that for support, and the whole tree was going.
Why couldn't I hit that one instead of this one?
Yeah, exactly.
Know it.
That
That was pretty bad too, though. Yeah.
That could be just as steep right there, though. To the left.
We're at there's the road. This is pretty steep going down.
Yeah.
I'm thinking we take our time. We can.
3 of us can manhandle it. Put you rest.
I'm just going to try to get back up this damn hill. Oh, that shoulder's sore. Oh, don't pull.
Okay.
Oh,
Watch your
I may have
back.
dislocated it or something. That thing is sore.
I'll be honest with you, you're better off walking towards Lance. I don't know if he can come up here. It's going to be tough, man. It's a little less angle if you go the other way. Did you have a camera on? That's the big question.
Yeah.
Land
You
shark.
don't want to do it again.
Well, I might as well get this excitement.
Well, I mean, if you move that bike, I can pull the car that way.
Yeah, that would be probably better to keep us from being pulled into
that tree, Exactly. probably.
Yeah.
Well, you got a picture of it?
You're going to be on YouTube. It's still filming. I got a picture. I see it flashing.
You got a picture of the tree coming, right?
Yeah, I do. I kissed that tree and I wasn't even puckered up.
It gets pretty slippery. Okay, not too far forward to get the ditch. Don't go any further. Well, she's gonna have to. Back up again.
Okay, back up. That's that front tire, Ryan. You may have to pull in that tire.
You got the bike?
Pull up.
Got the bike, go. Just
Okay, go ahead.
easy.
Hold the bike.
Well, once you move.
Back. Just like back all the way. Alright, you're good. Yeah, just up the road. Stay in the road.
Right back to the left.
Oh,
shit.
Get it off of it.
Yeah, we got a handlebar down in this.
Can we, don't you think together the 6 of us can lift it and push it out?
Actually, we're working the main handle right now. What we got over that? Yeah. The hump. We can pull, push. You alright, Jim?
I'm okay.
I think if you get it upright and let us help you, we can all let us help you.
Oh, there we go. Good job. Put it in gear real quick.
All right. Good?
Kickstand, kickstand.
Good?
What were your excitement for today?
That's it. That's it. I can't wait to see the movie. All right? You don't need the winch anymore, right?
No.
You'll find me on YouTube under Located Slayers, CHAINSAWBOBS,
You gave her a card, right?
CHAINSAWBOB Nickel. And that's where I'm at. CHAINSAWBOB Nickel.
You gave her your business card. Does that have it? I have it.